G'day cobbers, welcome back to actually my front yard again today. Now the wife's car doesn't have a winch and today we're going to fix that. Well, I'm a bit of a lover of the Warn, as you all well know, but I happened to win a VRS in a driving competition, so we're going to put that in the wife's car. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, next up we have to take off the bash plate. Okay, now we've got that off, time to fit the winch. So the handle's in the wrong orientation, we need it flipped up 90 degrees. So what we're going to do is clock the winch. Just need to undo all of these. Okay, now we've got the last one out, we need to turn it 90 degrees. Now we need to put the square nuts in, of course there's 4 of those. So just place them in horizontally. Okay, now we're ready to install. Okay, so while I'm working from the bottom, Matt's going to install it from the top. We'll just try and get the top 2 in. Just down a bit. There you go. Okay, now the top 2 are started, we're going to have a mess around with the fair lead from the other side. Okay, last thing we have to do is tighten up the fair lead. And we had to shorten this one up a little bit, because it was a little bit too wide, so we knocked off the ends with an angle grinder. Now for the wiring. And don't forget to put a bit of heat shrink over your new connections. Now the heat shrink's on, put a bit of conduit around it as we run right from one edge to the other, and we'll just tape it up. Stop any sort of crap from getting in there. You have a fair bit of tension on the tape. We've already done the negative because you do the negatives first. It's just simply a matter of we'll undo this terminal and put it on. And now for the positive terminal, the final one. Pop that on. And up. Tighten it up a little bit. not too tight, only just firm. And we can put our battery terminal back over the top. Put the cover on. Now all we have to do is neaten up the wiring with a few cable ties and put the winch rope back on. Okay, now we need to feed the winch line on. Now I'm going to use a hand over hand technique so the winch line isn't sliding through my hands. You'll notice I've also got gloves on. It's always a good idea when you're handling line, even new stuff, to wear gloves. So we'll start winding them in. Just keep winding them in please, Matt. Okay, and you'll notice no hook on there. Why is that? Well, hooks are pretty much redundant for four-wheel driving. We've got to put a bow shackle on there if we're connecting to anything, so why not just put a bow shackle on there? And I'll go and do that now. Now I'll simply just grab a bow shackle, it's 4 3/4 ton, and pop them through the end. Now I'll just get Matt to cinch it up. That's it, job done. But not quite. Let's go and test it out in the bush. And we're stuck. Okay, time for a winch recovery. Rightio, now we've got it stuck. We have to get it unstuck. So, Matty's driving. He's got the wife shopping cart stuck. So, let's get the winch out. Put it in the free spool. And we'll pull it out and terminate up the other end. We've successfully installed the winch. We know that it works, so if we get stuck up in the bush, we know that it's going to drag us out. So now if you like this video, don't forget to give us the old thumbs up, and if you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Twice. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.